Alright guys, welcome back. So we're taking a look at miners, but before we do that, we have to take a look at the crypto land. So BTC in the morning, yes, it was trading around like 88k, so jumping 4+% or so. Let's go through this because right here, right now, the capitalization, I don't know if many people do pay attention to it or not, but that's the capital market cap of BTC at the moment, 1.7 trillion. Okay, how many out there? 20,000 or 21? How many? Probably from possible 21, 20 mined so far. Is that what it is? Bitcoin? I don't remember. But the point is, if BTC hits 100k, market capitalization of Bitcoin will be $2 trillion. Headline number. Perfect headline number. So is it going to go there? Possible. But before that, I want to take a look at, right. So this is the BTC 92,500. Okay. And now I want to show you last time, which we're talking about. If you're new, subscribe to the channel. Because I'm going to be building on what I was talking about before. I'm not going to keep repeating what I was talking about every single day, right? So this was my list last time I talked about. It was anything that I thought was interesting for BTC, okay, in terms of stocks. MicroStrategy, Robinhood, Coinbase, Cleanspark, Beto, BTDRD I just added yesterday because they had some little bit of Bitcoin. Square, Marathon Digital, Riot Platforms. And these are the percentages. Which stock is up how much? And I want to emphasize this again for those people who don't understand the difference. Miner is a miner. Treat miner as a miner. Like there are gold miners and there is gold, right? It's an identical situation with the Bitcoin. The price, a lot of these stocks that hold BT, such as like these miners, Cleanspark is a miner, Marathon Digital is a miner, Riot Platforms is a miner. And a lot of people are like, why BTC is going so much? And even though they're not selling their BTC as much, these stocks are not appreciating as much. They have gone up crazy. It's not that they're lagging crazy, but it doesn't have to move 1-to-1. Okay, BTC can hover around. It can just stall at $100,000, and these miners will come down. Okay, these are trading already at a high premium, such as MicroStrategy. As a business intrinsically, what do? They don't make shit, I think, basically, with their software. Okay, is it even barely paying their bills? I don't know. But the point is, this stock can come down 50% while Bitcoin is sitting at $100,000 because their holdings doesn't worth $383. So MicroStrategy's market capitalization is 74 billion. Their Bitcoin holding probably worth 30 billion, maybe 35 billion at this price. So that's my point. So now let's take a look at the charts of the Cleanspark CLSK. Let's start with this one. So this area, okay, Cleanspark, I didn't know on Friday this was halted for some clerk issue one day, and then they resumed the trading on Monday. So this is the area, $20. And also you can see this is a zone between 15 and 20. Pretty big distribution zone before rolling over. I did remember catching this one, paid out really good. But right here, right now, it can spend quite some time in this zone unless it breaks 20. If it breaks 20, yes, it can move easier towards 24. But 20 is my resistance. And I'll be watching as a support 15, and this 200-day moving average, this red line is 200-day moving average for Cleanspark. This is the level I would be watching. So 200-day moving average at the moment around 1450. So the Riot Platforms, year-to-date Riot Platforms is down 10%. This is the only miner that is down right now, negative. But Marathon Digital is not year-to-date up as much as well. It's only 3.8%. Last time I was talking about right at 200-day moving average. But let's take a look at Riot first. So with Riot, I was talking about that this stock is... I'm going to be watching for the stock. I mean, I'm still watching this downtrending resistance. Higher lows, lower high, lower high. And then yesterday, I mean, before this stock even opened at these levels, I was talking about that this is the resistance I would be watching. And if it builds above that, then I would be watching 18. Same situation. So if it pulls back towards 12 and a 75, that's my area of support I would be watching. Can it come down to test the 200-day? Possible, despite BTC staying high, actually. All right. But it needs to get back above 1550 in order for it to basically get out of this downtrend, because technically still in a downtrend. Larger picture again. Regarding Marathon Digital, this is holding a lot better actually. You can see, I mean, it is like this area of 22 was a very significant area of resistance I was watching. Before that, 20 was the resistance. So it's above, it is outside of its downtrend. So if you look at it, I mean, I was watching this as a downtrend, so it is outside of its downtrend so far. If it does get like this 26.75 I'm watching as a resistance. They reported earnings yesterday, negative, again, missed slightly. So, and it was, that's why I think you see the stock gapping down 3.5% today. Because yesterday, I mean, people didn't like what they report. But it's not, is it significant? I don't think so. But still, year over year, I mean, they lost money, quarter over quarter. And if it does get back above that 26.75, I would be watching 31, 32 area as a possible resistance for Marathon Digital. Regarding MicroStrategy, I mean, MSTR, again, Bitcoin can push. It doesn't matter. This stock can sell off. Okay? So you need to remember, this is the most expensive stock. Year to date, 470% up. Crazy. But Coinbase, another name, is year to date, this one is up 79%, and it's at 78 billion. So MicroStrategy and Coinbase, same market capitalization. But this stock is, well, almost hit its IPO prices, which was, I think, 380 or so, right? But it didn't get quite there, but 340 something. I thought this was really decent area of resistance, 340, 342. So it hit 343 pre-market yesterday, and right now it's trading at 312. So for Coinbase, that's the resistance I'm going to be watching. To the upside, to the downside, maybe gap fill at 272. But again, it depends what overall BTC is going to do. And again, you got to watch out also the yields, bond yields, and dollar as well. So Bitcoin has been ignoring the dollar, which has been going crazy, sort of like a detachment, right? But a lot of people are speculating that it's not about dollar, it's about every other currency in the world, where those are weakening against the dollar. That's why, like, money from the world coming into dollar and BTC at the same time. But we'll see. But this divergence may work out. But again, I'm still be watching that BTC 100K as a psychological level, because that's where it will make a headline saying that BTC is worth $2 trillion right now, and 100K is a perfect newsworthy headlines. But that's it. That's where I'm gonna cut it out. Thanks for watching. This is not a financial advice. Thanks for watching. See you in the next update.